Looking to spice things up and boost your energy in the bedroom? These 6 natural foods are like nature's secret aphrodisiacs, designed to boost libido, enhance desire, and support overall sexual health. Let's dive in. Oysters. Known as the ultimate aphrodisiac, oysters are packed with zinc, a mineral that supports testosterone production and promotes healthy sperm. Bananas. These aren't just for breakfast. Loaded with potassium, bananas help regulate blood flow and hormones, key players in boosting libido. Avocados. Rich in healthy fats, avocados support hormone production and overall wellness, making them great for keeping things heated. Sweet potatoes. Full of vitamin A, sweet potatoes support hormone health, giving you a natural boost where it counts. Ginger. This powerful root increases circulation and reduces inflammation, enhancing energy and drive. Maca root. This ancient plant is known to be an aphrodisiac, as it boosts energy, relieves stress, and brings back that spark. Remember, a balanced diet packed with fresh vegetables and whole foods is key to a vibrant sexual health.